Hello Gemini, welcome to the channel. This is Asnointia here. For those of you who are returning, thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel. And for those of you who are new, welcome. So I'll be looking into the feelings and emotions of the person you're connecting with on a romantic level, the person you're wanting to connect with romantically, what it is that they are feeling and thinking towards you. This is a general love reading, so it's not going to resonate with everyone. It is to cover mid-December to the end of December 2020, but time is fluid, and because it's a general love reading, some of the events may have already happened in your life. They may be happening right now, or perhaps in the far future they may happen. All right, the deck that I'm using is the Goddess Oracle deck by Amy Sophia Marashinsky. Okay, so you have your creativity, followed by death and rebirth. Then you have awakening. Oh my, yes. Awakening to what? Awakening to love. That's gorgeous. Love it. It's very nice. And then we have a crossroads. Decision-making time. Opening. Okay, and we have challenge. After opening, we have fear and then challenge. Under the bottom of the deck, we have ecstasy. All right. So, Gemini, I am going to express to you what it is that this person who you're connecting with, what is it that they're feeling and thinking towards you currently? My dear Gemini, a lot has happened in our connection. And I do feel the need to tell you that I would like to create something new with you. Something that'll be long-lasting. Something for the world to see. The way things were before, they were not right. They were wrong. But I want to make things better. I want to start something new with you. I am a renewed person. And going forward, I want to make happier choices, bigger and better relationship. I want to put to death what it is that was before and have a rebirth of something new. I would like to have a second chance with you. Why is this? Because I have come to the realization, I've had this enlightening moment, that I am completely in love with you, which is why I want a second chance. I didn't think of things differently before, and I didn't see them from a different perspective, but now I do. Things are different. And yes, all I can say is that I do love you. And for me, this is important to finally make a decision. I'm at a crossroads, whether I should be with you or just move on. But it's difficult for me to move on because I am in love with you. There's a part of me that wants to open up to you and tell you about certain things that are in my heart. Certain emotions and feelings that I've been hiding in the shadows. And I want to come into the open and talk to you about these emotions and these feelings. But, my dear Gemini, I am too nervous to do this. You make me so nervous. I freeze. I feel paranoid almost. The future of the unknown scares me. Not having you in my life scares me. And approaching you scares me. So, what option do I have left? I don't. This is just simply challenging for me. Everything is a big challenge right now. I have certain pieces of this puzzle. Things need to be solved. But I am unable to do that. Overall, I've come to the realization that you truly do make me a very happy person. There is a sense of ecstasy. My soul feels happy when I'm thinking about you. There is a sense of eternal bliss. My soul recognizes your soul, and my soul feels happy. Very happy. I am spiritually and emotionally very much in love with you. But for now, there are so many things on my mind that I would like to express to you. And it's very challenging to do this because I am quite nervous. All right, Gemini. Guys, this was a very straightforward reading. This person knows exactly what they want. They have a full-fledged plan. But, of course, it's challenging because they are nervous. And that is true. Some people, my goodness, some people don't approach people their entire life simply because they're nervous. Now, I know right in the beginning, Gemini, the candle that I had, it extinguished. I should have changed this. I knew it was going to extinguish, so that's not an omen. I'm going to try to see if I can find one right now. I don't think so. If you guys give me 1 second, I'm going to make some noise. Yay, I found one. Sorry about that. I usually am quite prepared. Alright, so it does seem that this person, guys, is wanting a second chance. They are quite genuine. Their feelings are very genuine towards you. Very. They want to open up. You see, this is the crazy part. They want to open up, but they're nervous. And where does this leave them mentally? It's very challenging for them because they're stuck. They're at a crossroads. All right. So we have here, I'm going to have a look at the Beginner's Tarot deck. The Beginner's Tarot deck. Holy moly. Okay, these two fell on my lap, literally. What actions is this person going to take? What intentions do they have? Or what plans do they have? You have here the Three of Swords. They are heartbroken. And they're heartbroken because they want that second chance with you, but they're not able to do so right now. Also, you have here the Queen of Wands. They find you utterly irresistible. Very irresistible. Then you have the Nine of Wands. There's certain challenges that they are facing, and they're trying to overcome this to the best of their abilities right now. Okay. All right, so there's going to be a lot of thinking. So Gemini, I do not see in the near future, if you guys are expecting this, and of course this is not going to resonate with everyone, but I don't see a lot of action happening here. So you remember earlier we literally had the challenge card, and that's exactly what the situation is. It's very challenging for this individual. You know, sometimes somebody does love you, but they will not reach out for certain reasons. Now, yes, this person does have Three of Swords. Their heart is broken. They are feeling that. Now, also, we have here the Queen of Wands, feeling that you are quite irresistible. A lot of affection. They want to shower on you, passionate. But they are building some boundaries and they're getting rid of some things. Now, what I do see here is the Hermit card, and the Hermit card does talk about having this feeling of contemplating, waiting, thinking. There is a lot of thinking going on here. This person has retreated, and they do believe that a certain part of their life has to be focused on planning how to come back into your life. Why? Because they do truly love you. You know, the love card that you had before. This truly is just unconditional. This person does love you a lot. And what's interesting here is this person does want to give you unconditional love and a solid foundation for a new relationship. However, what's holding them back, Gemini, is the fact that they feel that you are the Queen of Swords. The Queen of Swords, somebody who is quite distant because of the way someone has made the other feel. This person may have made you feel quite sad, jaded, heartbroken in the past. And they know that this is what you are feeling. And for this reason, they are having issues communicating with you because they think you might just snap at them. You may get angry at them. So for that reason, they find it very challenging, and they are not approaching you right now, it's not because they don't want to approach you. It's because they're viewing you as someone who is the Queen of Swords. And they themselves are just trying to plan things. Now, I'm going to have a look as to why they're feeling the way that they're feeling. There's clearly a reason why. Okay. This is a Lover's Path Tarot. So, just going to have a look at any reason. What's the problem? What's the main problem here? Three of Staves. Okay. Oh, there you go. Illusion. That comes up very often. It's something that happens a lot. Okay. So we do have here the Three of Staves. The Three of Staves, it does talk about this person has had ambitious plans. However, they are not grounded in reality. And there are some delays, and it's making this person quite frustrated. So yes, this person has made plans in their mind. They know what they want to do. But like you have the Hermit card, are they actually just planning it, or are they going to execute it? Are they actually going to take action? This is something that they're not doing. You have under the bottom of the deck the Illusion card. The Illusion card here does talk about when they started off in this connection with you, Gemini, they were feeling very enchanted by love. For better or for worse, they just wanted to be with you. But then what happened, they started getting confused by illusions that may or may not be real. They didn't know if this connection was really a love-related connection, or is it just a fantasy? They started having a lot of intense emotions at one point. The issue now is that they need to know what is real. What is real? This card talks about planning and the reality. Is the plan realistic? And now this card, Illusion, it does talk about something similar. If it's a real feeling or not, they don't even know if what they feel for you is real. This usually happens when they have not been experienced in relationships. Now we have here, there is a need to know what's real. And so right now they're feeling a little delusional. They feel deception. They also feel discomfort to a certain degree with their emotions. They also feel uncomfortable with the way this relationship is right now. A part of them feels a lack of satisfaction because they know it could be better. However, it's not. So one word from here is reality. This person was not living in reality. They had a very fairy tale type of situation with you, and they enjoyed it. They loved it. But now they're realizing that, how do I make this, how do I take this a step further? That's the issue here. That's what this person's not able to accomplish or get through. Okay, you literally just had this fall out within the next few months. So this is Doreen Virtue's deck, Angel Answer cards. And then we have Abundance. In the near future, Then you have a year from now. Okay, there's going to be a lot of changes in your life in relation to this person. And you have so many timelines here. It's pretty funny. Funny, not actually comical funny, but odd funny. You literally have a few timelines here, and this does seem as though this person may come and go in and out of your life. And every time they do, there's going to be something unique and different. You may even think it's important. Wait. There's going to be situations here where you're going to have to deal with this person, and you are going to receive abundance. But the angels are, oh my goodness, the angels are telling you to wait, and they're telling you to let go. Let go. Wow. Yes. Yes, you will receive abundance. And you're ready to receive this. You will be most ready a year from now, 12 months. You're going to start to feel ready in the near future, which is also the next few months. You're going to receive abundance, but they want you, if you want, Gemini, to connect with this individual. Yes, then you can follow this advice. This advice is from Archangel Michael, Raphael, and Gabriel. What they're telling you is if you want to be with this person, you're going to have to wait. You're going to have that patience. Let go energetically. When you let go of this person, they're going to feel the lack of you in their life, the lack of that beautiful energy, and they will start to miss this energy. Soon, when they start to miss it, they will eventually want to reach out and have that energy back. That is when they see the value of you. This is why this suggestion is here. And then yes, you are going to receive abundance, and you are literally going to be ready for it, to accept it. For those of you that are not interested in this person, you don't have to wait. You can just simply let go, and then that's the end of that particular story. And you will still be ready for someone or something that may come into your life. The situation, Gemini, that you've been in, it almost seems here as though you've become much more wiser than before. You're a bit more on high alert. You're a bit more aware of certain things that have happened. Okay. And you know what to avoid if anything else similar happens in the future, so that you don't get hurt. All right, guys. I hope I was able to provide you with some clarity and some guidance. And let me know if it resonated in the comments below. And I will see you guys again next year. All right then, take care and stay safe. Bye, Gemini.